This is SQL with me, and if you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notification. Today we will learn a couple more concepts in terms of case insensitivity and order by clause for a few examples. And as I promised, I am coming with the solution of question 14 yesterday what we left in the series. Okay, let's dive into our system and let's see. Okay, we have a scenario based question. In interviews, most of the cases they will ask scenarios like this, so we have to understand step by step what is scenarios. Okay, what is this scenario? Okay, the scenario is like a ABC financial consultant wants all their portfolio names first character to be in uppercase. Okay, so first character means, let's go, we have Mohan or Mohan. Okay, these are three examples. This is small case, title case, and uppercase. The first character is capital, means he is referring to title case. So he wants all his portfolio names first character should be uppercase, and database developer has inserted few portfolio names as a lowercase letters. So this is one issue. Okay, and the person Rohan is a working ABC financial consultant as a data analyst, and he observed this issue. So he observed this issue, and we have to help this Rohan to write a query to fetch all the portfolio names which have lowercase letters in his records. Okay, we will go with an example. Or okay, let's say we have a table called portfolio. First is like food, let's say food, then energy and beverages, and what is that, cloth. Let's say this is our source table. Okay, now as we said, requirement is that what is the desired output. Let's say desired output, we need to fetch the records which all have lowercase letters. One is like energy and cloth. This is the desired output. How we gonna do it, we will see. So we have, this is our source table. What is that? Food and energy and beverages and cloth. How we can achieve this? Let's there one way is that we will apply lower function on portfolio names. What will we get the output? Like this is also come food, this is comes energy, and this come beverages and cloth. This, by applying function, we will get this output. Okay, so next we have to compare between this original table and conversion of table. Now let's go to take a different scenario. We will use equal to operator to check whether both are same or not. Okay, food and food is same, right? Not. Now this will not display. And energy is same. This will not display. This will display. And beverages is same, not same. Then it will not display. Cloth and cloth is same. Yeah, same. This will display. So what is our output? What is the output? We will get energy and cloth. So by understanding this, how we can write a query? So first we need to select what is that, a name of the portfolio, and from what is the table name, portfolio. Now what is the condition where lower of name equal to name. If you write this query, we will get the output as we have discussed manually. Let's check out. Okay, let's go to Oracle. Let's copy the data over here. See here, what is the desired output? This one. Okay, now see, we will execute this one. Okay, table got created. Let's display the table. Select star from, what is the table name? Portfolio. Let's display and see the output. See, this is the output we have got. Now we have to apply a condition to fetch the records whose portfolio is name is only lowercase. Okay, now let's display the same content. Okay, now where lower of name equal to name. Now see the output. See, energy and auto. So we have got the output for this one. This is how you have to practice your SQL step by step. We need to understand backend functionality, and we come to the question number 14 to understand. Okay, what is that? This is question 14. This is question 12. Okay, this is not the 14. This is the 12th question. We will check out and we will display the answer. Here, write an SQL query to list the student name in ascending order, but all the female students should be displayed before all the male students. This is the question. Okay, now let's go to the our whiteboard and let's get an example. Here, requirement: student name in ascending order and gender. How gender should be? All female like this, and male should be like this. Correct? And we have a table, student name, student table. Now let's create a table. Okay, student ID, student name, and gender column. Okay, now let's say we entered the couple of columns: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, Mohan, male student. Okay, Ganesh, male student, and Divya, female student, Ramya, female student, Raju, male student, and Ankita, female student. Okay, now what is the output we required? Let's say here output is student ID, student name, and gender. So how to write this query? We need the output. I will show you what is output once we execute the query. Let's write a query. Okay, now we have to write a query. We will see here query. Okay, we will write a query here. Select star from, what is the employee student table. Okay, now we have to order by gender. Okay, order by gender, DSC, and student name is ASC. How this will work? First it will sort by gender in descending order. First female will come. No, wait, this is also ascending order. It's a mistake. First F will come, then M will come, then first F. There are 3 females and 3 males. Okay, and once we get this one, okay, now we have to sort by name also. First female, what is the first letter comes? Ankita. Okay, let's use different color to better understanding. Ankita will come, and after Ankita Divya will come, then Ramya will come here. First Mohan will come, and Ganesh will come, then finally Raju will come. And let's say we have to give the number 6. Divya is ID number is 3, Ramya ID number is 4, Mohan ID number is 1, and Ganesh ID number is 2, Raju ID number is 5. In this sequence it will display the output. So this is the desired output we have to get in our SQL query. Let's first create a student name, student table. Okay, let's create a table got created, right? Now let's insert the columns, insert the data, not the columns. Okay, now let's do select star from students. Okay, let's display the data, how the data is displaying. Okay, see, male, female. Now first condition, what is the first condition? All female employees should come first, then male students come. Now we will order by gender equal to gender. Now by default, as we discussed earlier, it will sort by ascending order. Now see, all the female come first and male came second. Okay, now again we have to take the name. What is that name? Column name is student name. Student name. See, now it is ordered in a ascending order. Okay, that query is correct for this one. What is asked? Okay, ascending order, female students should be displayed before all the male students, right? This is what easy. So you have to understand how backend will work. Okay, how SQL engine will execute every query is important. Okay, for that we will discuss more on this example only, how exactly this query is executing. Okay, now our query is that our table, student ID, student name, and gender. This is the table. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now Mohan, Ganesh, and Divya, Ramya, and Raju, Ankita. Okay, and here male, male, female, female, male, and female. Okay, and what is our query? Our query is simple. Select star from student table where gender, comma, student name. By default we are ascending order. Now let's understand step by step. First from will work, right? From look for the student table, then it will select the table. Okay, now we will get same table. Okay, 6 Mohan M. Let's say we'll short using short form Ganesh, Divya, and Ramya, and Raju, and Ankita, and male, male, female, female, male, female. Once this is done, next will come where condition, where gender. First it will take this one and it will sort it out. Okay, gender it will take. Okay, first it will come F, 3 F's and 3 males and 3 females. So this can be random, that we don't know. Okay, now next step. Okay, next step what will take, it will look for the student name and it will sort it out, this column this time. Okay, now we'll only took the 2 columns, female, female, and male, male, and male, and here it will check the, it will group this. Okay, we'll check. This is one group, this is one group. Already we sorted out on the gender column. So in this group only it will sort in ascending order with the respective of female candidate, female student name. Here Ankita will come, and Divya will come, and Ramya will come. So again it will not sort all the names. It will specifically focus on female students and male students separately. In the male student category, again it will sort who is first category comes. G will come, Mohan will come, R will come. So this is how it will come. So be careful when you are sorting the data with respect to 2 columns. How this work? First sort will group all the columns in that first sorting. Then in this group it will sort again ascending order, descending order. So this is very concept, that's why I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you people understood. So if you have any doubts, please comment on it. So we'll cover in the next upcoming videos, and practice more and be perfect. I am also trying the same thing. Thank you.